Hi, this is Dr. Niccole Odell with Positive Edge Chiropractic. Today I'm going to talk to you about what an adjustment is. An adjustment is just a quick, very specific movement of bone to correct a misalignment in the spine. Sometimes that results in a popping sound, which is just gas escaping from the joint capsule. By adjusting, we are able to correct this misalignment, which then causes muscle relaxation. Let me show you. Now I'm going to adjust the mid-back region, which is also called the thoracic spine. Thanks for watching. Give us a call and like Positive Edge Chiropractic on Facebook.